I'm Ros Mickelson. I'm a professor of sociology and public policy at the University of North Carolina at Charlotte. I also have appointments in information technology and women and gender studies. I'm interested in the ways that race, class, and gender influence educational processes and outcomes. And in particular, I have looked at the Charlotte-Mecklenburg schools over the last 20-something years to see how that district's experience with school desegregation and now resegregation has affected outcomes. I'm interested also in the role of race and socioeconomic composition of schools and classrooms for all kinds of educational outcomes, from achievement to the workforce, to cross-race friendships among adults, and essentially how integrated schools shape social cohesion. The racial and socioeconomic transformation of the school in which I taught raised all kinds of questions for me. I have been seeking the answers since the late 1970s. I have a few of the answers, but there are so many more questions that my research has raised that I think I have several decades worth of work still to do. The research that I do is important because our nation is becoming more and more ethnically and racially diverse, and that's reflected in our schools. It's not clear to me that the schools in our country are responding appropriately to the challenges and opportunities that the racial and ethnic diversity of our students present. Globalization requires us to do a better job of educating our students so they can be ready for the challenges and opportunities of globalization. I think if I'm able to look at issues of equity and excellence using the data sets that I have in the projects, I will have accomplished quite a bit. But essentially, unless all children across all gender, race, ethnic, and socioeconomic backgrounds are able to learn and have access to high quality education, we in this country and in this world are in for a very rocky ride, and I hope that my research can inform the policy. And then I hope that the policymakers will look at the research before they make their decisions.